So, trading journal, Sunday analysis. So this week we're looking for a buy here on volatility 10 index. Just broke out of this structure. So it just retapped. So we're definitely looking for buys, but we only have daily bullish. We also want weekly to be bullish or 4 hour to be bullish. So weekly still currently bearish. It hasn't broke this structure over here. So we're waiting for that to break. So 4 hour, um, 4 hour, the last structural point is here. So we're looking forward to break that structural point. Once that's broken, then we're gonna look for buys, break and retest basically. So yeah, that's what we're looking for volatility 10 index. If we get that buy, this is how it's gonna go. So it broke out of this structure right here. So we want it to go like this, and then we're gonna buy up until somewhere here. But yeah, so I'll update on how that worked out. Volatility. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potentially this week, and maybe this if it breaks out 7, but it hasn't broken out, so I'll just focus on these. So volatility 25. We currently waiting for daily to break out of uh this structure over here, right? Because it's in a downtrend, up, down, down, broke this low. So it's in a retrace. But we tried to sell, but it didn't let us sell. It went down. We were in profits. We held the profits. We didn't take anything. And then it came right back up and took us out. So now we're waiting for it to break out of here so that we can reach. When it retests here, we buy and then we take our profits somewhere here, you know. Oh, that's what we're waiting for. Right now, it's still playing around here, so we'll see how that plays out. Um, we're also looking at Boom 500. Boom 500 was in a downtrend, came up, retested over here, right? And I didn't really sell here because there was a monthly. I saw the monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame had a retest of uh this structure over here. So it was bearish, right? It was bearish, and then it broke this structure going bullish. So from there, it went up. It hasn't come back down to this structure right here, but it just came to back down now. So that's why I didn't take the buy. I could have, but I saw that this is a clean one and we might want to buy from here. So looking at weekly, can't really see nothing. But weekly is bearish because up, went bearish. So this could be a potential retest to go bearish, but we don't really care about that right now because we focused on the big buy, the monthly buy. So if we go down to daily, we see now that it finally broke structure. My charts are a bit messy. So if there's anyone watching this, Hadi. But yeah, so you see that like it was bearish, right? But now it broke this structure. So now we have buying power to go bullish. It hasn't broke yet. So we'll see tomorrow what we'll be looking at. But we'll be looking for buys from around here or here. But we'll see what we do about that. Um, yeah, that's what we're looking for. If we get the buy, we're gonna take our profits on a monthly time frame. So basically, we're not only gonna take profits. Usually we do this, it breaks out of here, we buy here, then we take profits here. But we won't do that because we have the monthly retest. So now we're gonna buy here, take our profits somewhere around here because we swing traders. So that's what we do. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm happy about this. I've been waiting for a long time. Boom thousand broke structure. I actually caught this on a demo. I caught this and yo, if I caught it on my real account, I would have made a lot. But it doesn't matter. I made like 121 on the a minimum lot size, $121. So that's crazy. But yeah, we caught this buy from here. Okay, I'm not on my demo account, so I can't show you how I took the trade or where I took the trade from history, but that doesn't matter. So now we broke out of this. So it's retesting this level, but I didn't want that. I gotta stick strictly to my rules. And well, it broke this level with this candle already. So I wasn't looking, I was strictly looking to buy from here. Why? Because if I go down to 4 hour, um I'm looking at price in a different perspective now. So from this perspective, 4 hour is in a downtrend, right? It's in the downtrend. Then it breaks here, buys here, breaks here, buys here, breaks here, buys here, breaks here. So for me, this is not a breaker block. We would buy this as a breaker block, but the breaker block is this one, not this one. Why? Because this structure starts here and ends here, and then this is just internal structure. We don't count that. But if price decides to react as it did right here, then I'm fine with that. I won't enter because that's not my trade. So I'm hoping price comes back down here. Why do I want it to come back down here? Because this is the last order block, right? This is the last order block. So I'm going to trade it from this order block. So this series of down candles is an order block. So once price comes down, if it does, I'm going to buy from here. And I'm really excited if it does because this is going to be another huge one. Because it's also like a monthly, right? Oh no, it's a weekly. So the profits are gonna be huge. Let me see. Look, it's looking like it's turning around, but yeah, you see it broke out of this weekly also. So if it does come here and give us a buy, we're gonna take, you know, profits way up there. That's gonna be huge for us. But yeah, that's what we're looking at for this one, but it's looking like it's going up, so it doesn't matter. We'll just catch it from up here when it breaks that. Um, what else are we looking at? We're also looking at volatility 50. I was also looking at this for a long time, finally broke out. It was in a downtrend, right? It was in a downtrend. And then it finally broke out of here, but it broke out 2 nights ago. Yeah. And I was excited. I thought it was going to come back and I was going to buy, but it chose to continue going up and it closed above this area. So now I'm looking at it from a different perspective. Now I want to buy from here. This is the only place I want to buy from. Why? Same reason. 4 hour. You look at 4 hour, you see downtrend, right? See a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend again, then uptrend. So what does this tell you? This is a Quasimodo, but we're looking at it as a breaker block. So we want to buy from here. That's why I'm only looking at this area. Obviously, if it pushes down strong and goes way down there and breaks this breaker block, then I'm not looking at the breaker block anymore. But yeah, for now, that's what we'll be looking at. Um, yeah, so once price comes in here, we looking for buys. We get an opportunity, we buy. But if it breaks that and comes here, we're also looking for buys. We're gonna buy. If it breaks that and comes over here, then we buy. But in that process, if it comes to this block and it breaks, okay, yeah, we have a lot of room for a fuck up. We have a lot of room because the only time we're not gonna take the trade is if it breaks this low. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Um, V75. It's I actually caught this also on a demo, but now like I just recently started trading my real account. This is actually a $96 account, so yeah, I'm trying to this is my last money, my very last cash. So I have to. I took like two trades, they both lost. They both were losses. I didn't journal them, but I'm deciding to start journaling now. Took two trades and they lost. I was on $112 account. Now I'm on like 96 because of those two trades that I lost, swing trades. So yeah, here we bearish. Just broke this, so we were looking for sells here. I drew this new structure because it might decide to break. So once it decides that, we'll just retest and sell from there. I don't really like VIX 75, even though like I started trading binary because of VIX 75, and that's what I liked at first, but now I don't really like it. But yeah, we just have it here. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you next Sunday or after we've taken each trade to see how it went if we do take the trades. Peace.